One of the important things that we consider in our productions is providing ease of use in a safe manner for everyone with every ability. No hand contact with the door, and the handles are perfectly hygienic. Suitable for all people, including the elderly and people with physical disabilities. Alert for unavailability. Due to the prevalence of the coronavirus, the use of smart health services in public and busy places is essential. Your health is important for us.